Previously on the agency.
3 options me get and me choose one.
So you are convinced me say, Mr. Mullins tell you, say if you can rob Herbs, brother.
So you realize the fire with the agency under. That is what you choose for do. You never hear them say thief from thief, God laugh.
You really believe there's some hustler you rob? Brother, or some legal distributors you get it from?
And them brother yeah, are some long time bad man. Them are go do everything in them powers. If get you or get it back.
The man them have a facial recognition, brother. And a we them carry it too. Can't make them know say you.
That's why the police boy himself. Soft soldier. I'm a soft soldier, brother. You have to put yourself in a firm position. The worst part about it is, you put him in that situation, brother. Stop thinking about yourself and think about others around you. Think about how what you do affect others.
Hold on. How you connect with it?
Well, you know, so I'm there after 3 I deal with my little thing there. But there I observe, but I observe everybody. When I realize and it clicked to my brain now, I start observe all the police them. I realize who want to stop crime, who want to stop taxi man, who did they feel so. So I really did it now, I start observe and I realize say, yo, that one I look like a real hustler. So I stay, so I approach him one day. You see me? Him run my way at first, and I did it, and I just pre-war go and page him again till we have a local connection. Then him make me know say, yo, in transport we now and then from down in the city coming at town, and I say, okay, you is the one. But him no know say me is a agent. Remember, I get better training than him. Him just run off him more about certain things he wouldn't know. You see me? But at the end of the day, I don't have nothing to do with him hanging himself. But just give him an assignment and him do it, him feel guilty after, hang himself. That now have nothing to do with me, the agency, nor none of we writers.
Why you say over everything what you just say a while ago? And think about it. What you mean it don't have nothing to do with you? It have everything to do with you, brother.
Shades. More you stop think like he's a criminal. You're now an agent. And at that more you understand the criminal lifestyle where I take you out and I try to turn you into this lifestyle to make you be a better person. You don't understand? Like how you said, stop behaving like a criminal, but you have to remember, the 4 of we as man in the agency, we have 4 different characteristics. My one is criminal. That's how I catch criminals. Remember, this policeman never know I am an agent. He just have me as a normal hustler on the road. Yet still him take program from me. That means him take program from 100 more man, 100 more hustlers. I'm guilt. Put him with him there right now. I know me.
But shit, are some legal people in the rap.
That me I try to tell you now. He never tell me that. Him tell me as some hustlers. Him out in the streets. Him a work with them. You know, see a mind game. Him a play upon me. You see, because of the tone actions, when you see the position, when you put the agency in, I can't buy that excuse. Because you, as a trained agent, should have known better.
I don't know me I gotta break this thing. But you know you have to lift up. The man them on the rap. Love them man. Remember them have a picture.
So yeah, I say what for do. Run.
Now, I tell yourself to be smart. Especially for the sake of the agency. Link your uncle and tell him say you want to go on the program. The training program I go on. Take a couple months. We will deal with it on the ground.
And shades. This is not an option. This is an order. For your own damn good. Been need a vacation still. So man, out. And shades. One more thing. Leave out the bar. Alright, know yourself, man, General. Me and I don't have a talk already. I'm apologize for all my actions and things, you know. So everything good, you know, man. You see it? Out. You think him get it?
I want to say this, you know. I feel like him get it. I see if him not get it. I'm gonna get it. Whoa!
Him type numbers. You can't come in.
Little Miss Muffet who sat on her tuffet.
Eating her curls away.
No, man, you don't know in nursery rhyme, man.
And that's all.
No, man, a curds and whey. You know, we realize that generation, you know them because something there, you know. Curds are the thing where it's like a part of milk, you know. A part of milk where when it get hard, like them use it and make a kind of food. But mostly, you know, is a foreign thing. And the way the watery part of the milk. Like when they tell you say skim off the part of milk. Yeah, man. But a foreign thing still. Only for Jamaican people now I really know about them things there.
Well, of course, and we music say, come never sure. Numbers. Sorry for the miscommunication. Me did really busy. So me see a call this morning, and so comes my call you and tell you for forward.